Hi everyone, I finished my 640 workout at home, the stretching, flexibility, core exercise that I do every day. Now I'm here with Sugar Dog on a hike up at Chautauqua Park, and this is my favorite tree. It looks like a lot of people have used this for exercises too. I call these body weight exercises. So let's begin. And you're stretching out and you're using your muscles to pull yourself back up. It's a very light exercise using your own body weight and the muscle to pull you back up. I do this about 10 times, and each time I'm stretching and bringing myself up using my muscle, and it's a very gentle, easy to use exercise. I can switch and alternate, but I'm always in constant motion. I'm using my hand sometimes just to make almost like a ballet move, stretching my spine, stretching it back, stretching it back, stretching the back, down, two hands, and it's very slow, very rhythmic, and you can see the muscles are flexing. You can see that little mouse called the muscle. It's flexing and stretching, and it's almost like you can create whatever moves you want, whatever moves feel right for you. You can even turn around. There's another lower one here, and I use that. Ooh, that feels so good. You wiggle your shoulders, you're getting a stretch. You can raise and lower your body, and that also is another stretch. Pulls, it feels, oh, so good right here. And the other way, feels so good right here. Just very simple moves. Looking at Mother Nature, using nature as your friend and as your ally for a workout. So this is the morning routine when I hike in the mountains. Very simple, very easy to do. Thank you for joining us at the Alexia and Joel show. Joel is sleeping in this morning. I wake up earlier than him. So welcome, and you're part of our family. Thanks, and please share.